Let's see the operating controls of the all-new Honda City. Here are the keys for the car. These are the lock and unlock buttons and the button to open the boot. You can also directly pull the door handle if you have the keys in your pocket. This button can also be used to lock the car. Going inside the car, these are the buttons or the door panels for operation of mirror opening and closing and adjusting the same using joystick next to it. Lock and unlock of door and power window controls. Rear window controls. Moving on to the driver seat, these are the control for adjusting the driver seat height and reclining function. You can pull this up for sliding the seats front and back. Below the steering wheel is the adjustment for steering position. You can adjust the steering wheel up, down, and also for the reach adjustment towards you or away from you. Here on the right side are the controls for headlight. You can twist it to off mode to turn the DRL on and off. This is the auto mode, the parking lights mode, headlights on mode. This is the fog lamp switch. Twist it to turn the fog lamps on. On the right combination switch is the control for the lane watch camera. Push this switch to turn it on. On the left switch are the controls for the wiper movement. Push it down to adjust the wiper speed. Push it further down to increase the speed to high. Now let's see the controls on the right side of the steering wheel. These are the controls for the cruise control. Plus to increase the speed, minus to decrease the speed, and cancel to turn it off. On the left side of the steering wheel are the controls for music system, volume plus and minus, source to change the source of music, and forward and rewind to change the tracks. Here are the controls for the mobile phone to pick and disconnect the call and also for initiating the voice command. Behind the steering wheel are the paddle shifters for quick gear shifting, minus to downshift and plus to upshift. Next to the wiper controls is the switch to adjust the brightness of the street and the music system. These are the indicators on the instrument cluster. On the right side is the switch to adjust the headlight beam. And on the left side is the stability assist switch. Let's see the position on the automatic transmission gear lever. P is for the parking position, R for the reverse position, N for the neutral position, D for the drive mode, and S for the sporty drive. Push this button for the econ mode. Next to the gear lever is the parking brake lever. Above is the switch for operating the sunroof and the interior lightings. Push this switch to open and open the sunroof. Behind the sun visors are the vanity mirror, one for the driver's side and other for the co-driver's side. These are the controls for the air conditioning, left switch for fan controls, center switch to adjust the airflow and right one to control the temperature. You can push this to turn it on and off the AC, also to set the blower speed. This is to adjust the airflow. This is to turn the auto mode on and also to adjust the temperature. This is for the front and rear defogger. Below are the points to connect your mobile phone and 12-volt output for charging your stuff. Near the driver feet are the controls for opening the fuel lid and the bonnet of the car. Next to the driver seat is the lever for opening the boot. On the inside of the door panel is the sticker mentioning the recommended tire pressure. Out on the rear doors is the child lock option. Here are the AC vents for the rear passenger and 212-volt output for the rear passenger. Going to the boot, here we have the spare wheel. Lift it up and you will find the spare wheel, warning triangle and the toolkit. Unscrew from here to get the spare wheel out. Next to it is the jack and the handle. These are the jacking points for your car where you can fix the jack. Now let's see the key service areas inside the bonnet. This is the wiper bottle. This is the dipstick to check the engine oil level, the brake fluid reservoir, and the coolant bottle. On the front bumper is the tow hook point. Open this lid and you will find the towing jack hook.